Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Pick the correct Razer model and power the headset. Once done, plug the wireless USB dongle into a Ps5 front or rear USB port so the console can detect it. Make sure the headset is in pairing mode if required by your model, and check the Ps5 accessories screen to confirm the device appears. If you're using a wired Razer headset, plug directly into the DualSense 3.5mm jack and skip dongle pairing to begin audio routing immediately. Now configure Ps5 audio. Open Settings, Sound, then Audio Output and select your Razer headset as the output device. Next, change output to headphones. All audio so chat and games sound route correctly, then set headphone volume and adjust mic level under microphone settings. For wireless models, connect the dongle to a PC or mobile with Razer Synapse to update firmware and apply EQ presets. This improves latency and voice clarity. Make sure Party Chat uses your headset in the party settings. Finish by testing audio in a game and a party chat to confirm both game sound and mic are working. If you hear nothing or the mic isn't picked up, restart the Ps5 and power cycle the headset and dongle. Repairing often resolves connection faults. Also try a different USB port or remove USB hubs and confirm firmware is current using Razer Synapse. If problems persist, reset the headset per model instructions and, as a key troubleshooting tip, test the headset on another device to isolate console versus headset hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.